Hello everybody, we're going to see the unboxing of SD Biosensor Standard Q Dengue Antigen Antibody Duo Test Kit. This is a 10 test kit box. Here it is. It helps to detect your IgM, IgG antibodies and also your antigen virus from your serum, plasma or the whole blood. This is how the box looks like. Let me go around the box. This is the other side. You can see here it says one-step rapid immunochromatographic test for the detection of IgM, IgG antibodies to 4 stereotypes of dengue virus and dengue virus NS1 antigen in human serum, plasma or whole blood. This is how the box looks like. Okay, you can see the contents inside. It has the duo cassette 10 pieces, and you got the transfer device 10 piece of 10 ml and another transfer device 100 ml, and you have a buffer bottle and instruction for use. All these are standard as 2 years of validity. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, there you go. So this is inside the box. Let's get inside the box. You have an instruction manual, a complete detailed instruction manual which talks about the preparation and the testing procedure and also how to interpret the results. This is it. And inside the box you got the cabinet tube, which is the specimen transfer device. You have 10 ml 10 pieces, and you got 100 ml another 10 piece of the specimen transfer device, and inside you got 2 buffer bottles. Let me see this here. So it is here. Okay, and you can see the buffer bottle. So 2 ml, 2 bottles got available here. So the expiry is October 2023. So typically even this buffer liquids have a 2 years of validity. And we got the test cassettes here. Let's take so this is a 10 kit box, so you got the 10 test cassettes. Let me take 2 test cassettes from here. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is how it looks. Individually folded. You can see the 2 test cassettes inside. It's a duo. On the other side, here it's here. These are the test kits. You can see it shows a 2 years of validity on a standard. Let me align this. If you look at the Dengue AG/AB Duo Standard Q test cassettes contains one instruction manual, and you got 10 pieces of the 10 ml specimen transfer device, and you got the 100 ml specimen transfer device 10 pieces, and you got 2 ml of 2 bottles of buffer, and you got the 10 cassettes. This is how the standard the complete kit looks like. This is a complete kit. Thank you.